And this is now the darkest part of the core shadow. This is the chin, darker. That's the pillars of the mouth, darker. And this is the upper lip, also dark because the upper lip moves in. So the side of the nose, we can leave it. So light, the top of the nostrils, sorry, of the wing of the nose. The side we leave it like that, and the bottom we make it darker. So we start seeing this change of direction of the planes. Here we can have this a little bit dark, just because we want to differentiate it from the rest. Here a little bit darker. So this, so the zygomatic bone is oriented at an angle like this, see that? So we might want to put here a little bit of a darker value, but not as dark as the side.